Okay, Sir Virgilio, last working set natin po is core naman tayo pero nakapadapa pa rin. Plank naman yung gagawin natin. So, pakita natin. Prepare na natin yung mat. Elbows. Okay. Down. Then, all the way out. Okay, so ito yung gusto nating form sa plank natin pa. Okay, first 2 sets natin, ganito tayo, 30 seconds. Hold for 30 seconds lang. So check. Paa natin. Ankles at 90. Lock yung knees. Abs brace. Hold for 30 seconds. 2 sets lang. Alright? Tapos dun, sir, same siya with push-ups na pagka papagod na tayo, naisip natin na we're losing the form, elbows natin, squeeze together. Imagine yung mat, pinagdidikit din natin. So, mas mag-activate yung core muscles natin doon, yung abdominals natin, saka yung chest natin. So, press na pag ganon. Okay, imagine na pinagdidikit natin yung floor. Again, 30 seconds, 2 sets, elbow plank. Pagpagod na, option, taas natin yung hips, and then reset. Okay po? So all throughout the weeks, the months, i-increase naman natin yung nito, sir. Yung time, yung duration niya. So from 30, the next few weeks or months, 45 to 1 minute. Right? Because ma-maximize natin na 2 minutes na tayo naka-plank. So 2 sets lang natin siya gagawin, and then meron pa tayong 2 sets. From the plank, tataas tayo. Shoulder taps naman tayo. So for this one, 10 counts tayo. Alright? So exhale, exhale. So check. Hindi gumagalaw yung hips. Alright? Pero dito pala, yung paa natin mas wide. So check. Feet wider than your shoulders. Okay? So ganyan yung angle ng paa natin. Tapos naka hand plank. Hands, elbow, shoulders. Align. So, tap yung shoulders natin. Alright? Pakita natin profile. Okay, yung paa. Nice and wide. Alright, so tap. Tap. Dahan. Dahan po tayo. Alright? So, tap. Other side, 1. Tap. That's 2. Okay? So, 10 repetitions, tapos 2 sets din. Bale, 4 yung gagawin natin sa plank natin. 2 variations ng plank po. Okay po, so that will be your day 1 na mga working sets, Sir Virgilio. Alright.